Hi everyone, it's me Amina. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to visit the famous Tiffany Cafe located in Roppongi Hills in Harajuku's neighborhood at Cat Street. This is Japan's first Tiffany Cafe that serves food like croissants, coffee, and iconic New York donuts, hot dogs, and cheese pretzels. The store gets its name from its location, which is one of Tokyo's most popular pedestrian streets. Stretching between Harajuku and Shibuya, Cat Street is lined with shops, restaurants, and many art galleries. I know the cafe's name is Tiffany Cafe at Cat Street, but sadly there are no cats in this cafe. We are now on the top floor of the 6th-level concept store that features Japan's first Tiffany Cafe. It's the second of these cafes in the world. The Blue Box Cafe opened at the New York flagship in November 2017. The Tiffany Cafe at Cat Street is decorated in that signature Tiffany blue, but is much more modern and casual with diner-like booths. The cafe serves breakfast as well as a variety of New York-inspired food. The 5 other levels will differ from typical Tiffany locations with a futuristic design along with a variety of areas for jewelry personalization. The store also has a jewelry vending machine and a photo booth with a large Tiffany blue backdrop that reads "Greetings from Tokyo." It's a nice background for Instagram posts. At this Tiffany Cafe, they even have this museum on the 1st floor filled with Tiffany & Co. jewelry and pictures.